we're going to put this green tea mix here in our cup. This is really good hot. Really, really good.
Let's begin by going out in the backyard and picking some lemongrass. So we're going to use all of the lemongrass. The root itself, we're going to actually just place in the tea to add extra more flavor to this tea. So I'm going to place the lemongrass with some spearmint and put it to boil. So we're making our own green tea. So the base of the mango tea is a lemon tea. So I'm showing you this part of the lemongrass is what I'm going to place into the cup when we pour our green tea that we make with the leaves. Washing all of my lemongrass properly, and then I'm going to add mint. It's all up to you how strong you want your green tea. I like my tea really strong, so yes, I put all of the lemongrass and a good half cup of spearmint.
Hi guys, so I want to share a nice mango tea with you all. Now you could use this as an iced tea or you can drink this hot, and I'm going to drink it hot. So I'm going to use, I know my lighting really terrible at this moment, but I am so busy. I just wanted to share this with you because I tried it and I just needed to share it. Really nice. So remember the home syrup that we made with the mango? That link would be in the cards above. We have our mug. This could be a nice way to wake up daddy on Father's Day or to end his day today. Give him a nice hot glass of delicious mango tea. So the liquids that we are using would be my mango juice, my mango syrup, and I boiled some herbs, some green tea. So we're making some green tea with some lemongrass and some spearmint. I boiled that, and I left back some of the lemongrass, and we're going to just put one in each cup. Alright, now we're going to put the ones that I had boiling, which was the lemongrass itself, and we would call this in the Caribbean fever grass, okay? And we're going to put this green tea mix here in our cup. This is really good hot. Really, really good. And I'm going to use 2 tablespoons each of my mango syrup in this drink. Tablespoon each, okay? You could add more if you want it sweeter. And that's how you make that very delicious mango tea.
And as I said, you can have this hot or cold, and you could also adjust how much of the mango syrup. I am not a person that likes things overly sweet, and this mango syrup is really sweet and flavorful, so I didn't want too much. I did 2 tablespoons each was just enough, and I enjoy them hot and cold. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to check out all of my other ways that I use my mango, because obviously I have too much mango and I need to put all of them to use. Thanks for watching. Bye.